Hello, in this video we will show the live growth of our YouTube channel where all the video contents are made by VidEmpire, the #1 YouTube automation software in the world. And also, we will share the complete process of generating videos and scheduling it to automate from the scratch. Hey creators, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of creating and uploading a video to YouTube automatically without any manual steps. Everything will be handled by our software, VidEmpire. Let's get started. When you launch the app, this is the window you'll see. Before jumping into the process, make sure you have a YouTube account ready. I've already set one up to demonstrate, and decide which niche you want to work in. For this example, we've chosen the pet niche, specifically the cat sub-niche. We'll be creating both a long-form video and a YouTube short based on that. Now, the first time you use the software, there's a quick setup you'll need to complete. Go to the Settings tab and enter your OpenAI API key. This is required because VidEmpire uses your API to generate content. Once you've entered the key, just click Save Settings. If you want to generate images using Stability AI, you can add your Stability API key here. Alright, next up, we need to create a token for your YouTube channel. This token basically gives permission to our app, VidEmpire, to upload videos directly to your channel. Let's walk through it. First, we'll name the token. In our case, we'll call it CatIt, and start the token creation process. We've already created a YouTube account just for this demo. The link of the channel is on our description. From time to time, we will show the progress of this YouTube channel live. Please check till the end of this video to know how we have progressed after 3 to 4 days. We have shared the live view of our channel progress. So when prompted, you'll need to select your YouTube account and allow VidEmpire to upload videos on your behalf. Now, at this point, you might see a message saying, Google hasn't verified this app. Don't worry, that's completely normal. We created this app using the Google API console, and although it shows that warning, it's totally safe. Just click on Advanced, then go to VidEmpire. Yeah, I know Google says unsafe, but trust me, it's fine. You've got nothing to worry about. Everything is secure and audit-free. Once you do that, you'll land on this screen. Our demo channel is called Kitty Club, and we're now allowing the app to run the upload process. And that's it. The authentication is complete and your token is generated. This means your videos can now be uploaded to YouTube automatically. Let's head over to YouTube and check it out. Here's our channel dashboard, and we're all set. The link of the channel is on our description box. Alright, as you can see, there's currently no content on this channel. It's brand new. I just created it to show you the full workflow from scratch. Once the channel and token are ready, the next step is to create the input file. Now, I've already explained the input file in another video, so feel free to check that out if you want a deeper dive. The link of input file generation is also given to the description box. But in short, the input file is where you'll provide all the instructions and details for your video generation. Let me walk you through it. At the top, we put the video title or subject. For example, how to take care of a kitten. Then we have the background music file name, and we select the video type. In this case, we're going with a long-form video. Next, we specify the channel token. Remember, we created one earlier called CatIt. Then, we give ChatGPT or OpenAI a prompt or guideline to generate the script based on that topic. Right after that, we include image prompt suggestions. These are used to generate visuals that match the content. You'll also see a scheduled day and time for the video to be published, and then the category ID. Now for YouTube categories, you can find a full list online with their corresponding ID numbers. The link of the category list is also given on our description box. For example, category ID 15 is for pets and animals. So that's what we'll use here. We'll apply that ID for both the long-form and short-form videos. We've also added one topic specifically for a short video, so we label it as short in the file. Once all of this is filled in, just save and close the input file. Now, we move on to some customization settings. Here, you can define things like the length of the short video, how many images you want in the short, the duration of the long-form video, how many images to use in the first 50 seconds, After that, the software will handle it automatically. We're enabling AI-generated images and saving those settings. Under the advanced options, you can tweak things like text, style, text highlight, stroke width, and more visual settings to give your videos a unique feel. For this demo, we're using Anton Regular as the font. We're also turning on thumbnail generation, then hit Save. Now that everything's set, let's import the input file. And once we click Start, the software will begin the process. You can track everything from the log section. It'll show you what's happening in real time. It'll take a bit of time to generate the script, voiceover, images, and finally the video. Then without you lifting a finger, it'll upload directly to YouTube. Pretty cool, right? On average, the whole process takes around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your system's performance. If you've got a decent processor and enough RAM, it'll be quicker. Otherwise, it might take a bit longer. So we'll wait it out. And once it's done, I'll come back and show you the final result. See you in a bit. Hey, welcome back. Right now, the software is generating the shorts. Let's check out how things are going. Okay, so far, 5 scenes out of 6 have been generated. Almost done. If you want to follow along with the files being created, you can find them on your desktop inside the VidEmpire folder. Just go to Output on Projects, and the last file listed is the one that's currently being worked on. Alright, the last scene is now being generated, and after that, the software will take a little bit of time to finalize everything. This part, the finalizing, is where it compiles all the clips and puts everything together to create the final output video. The time it takes depends on your system's specs and the overall length of the video. And by the way, if you have any feedback, feature requests, or ideas to make this tool better, just let us know. We take every suggestion seriously and are constantly improving. Alright, it looks like the file is fully generated now. And boom! It's uploading automatically. Upload complete. And guess what? The entire process finished without any errors. Let's take a look at the channel now. Refreshing the page. Here we go. Here's the long form video that we generated earlier. All done and uploaded. And now if we head over to the Shorts tab, yep, there it is. The short video has also been successfully generated and uploaded. Smooth, right? Let's see how our Kitty YT channel did after 3 days. As you can see, this is our channel Kitty Club. We have generated around 27 videos in last 3 days and gained around 22 real and organic subscribers. Let's go to our channel analytics. In 3 days, we have got around 12,947 organic views and 25.5 hours watch time on YouTube and 22 organic subscribers. Now let's check the audience stat. From geographic location of our viewers, as you can see, 72.5% audience of our channel is from United States, from where the RPM is higher than any other location. Thanks to our built-in video SEO functionality of our software, which allowed most of our videos to be presented to the USA audience. In last 48 hours, our channel got around 2,497 views. So that's it from the channel update. If you have any question, do let us know. Subscribe to our channel and do follow us on Discord and Facebook group for real-time support from our technical team. See you on the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay cool.